In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact in Zillow Directly. 2026 Full Guide. Reaching out to the right professional is the bridge between casually browsing listings and actually moving forward on a home. Zillow makes that first technical handshake straightforward. Whether you want a buyer's agent to represent you, or you're trying to speak directly with the listing agent, or even the owner on a for sale by owner property. Start by opening any active listing that fits your criteria. Look for the Contact Agent button, usually a blue button on the right side or at the top of the page. Click it and you'll see a simple form. Enter your name, email, and phone number so the agent can reach you. In 2026, Zillow AI mode can pre-draft an inquiry for you based on your saved preferences, so your message is relevant from the start. Review that draft, make sure your details are accurate, and keep your tone polite and concise. Next, decide who you want to speak with. If you're buying, Zillow typically connects you with a premier agent or local expert trained to guide you through viewing, offers, negotiations, and inspections. If you prefer to talk directly to the person representing the seller, scroll down to the overview or listing provided by section to find the listing agent's information. On for sale by owner listings, look for a contact seller link in the overview. Knowing who represents whom helps you set expectations for advice and advocacy. You can also use Zillow AI mode for natural language requests. Type or speak things like, "Can you schedule a tour for this home on Friday?" Or ask the agent if the roof was recently replaced. The AI packages your request and routes it through the Zillow Studio network to the appropriate professional, saving you time and back and forth. If you request a tour, you may be asked to sign a touring agreement. This has become common in 2026 and is designed to cover your initial visit. It's not a long-term commitment to that agent. It simply sets ground rules for the tour. If you have a Zillow Home Loans pre-approval, make sure you're signed in so your inquiry shows as high intent. That tag often moves you to the top of the list with in-demand agents. For faster, better responses, be specific. Say whether you're buying or renting, or if you simply need more photos or disclosures. Include your budget and preferred location so agents can quickly assess fit. Then keep an eye on your Zillow messages, texts, and email. Many agents now reply within minutes